Hello guys, today I'll be doing an oil change on my E92 335i. This is an N55 model, and I'm going to show you how to effectively change your engine oil by yourself. So as you can see, today I have some grease ramps to help on my oil change. Okay, so before you start your oil change, I would recommend you having some gloves and 17mm socket bit with a wrench, and also your oil filter removal tool, and also the oil filter and the engine oil. So the engine oil I'm going to use today is the Castrol H0W40. Make sure it's BMW approved, as you can see here. And also lastly, the oil drain pan. So after you get under your car, there is this drain plug over here. You have to take out to drain the oil. So sit tight and wait for the next phase. Okay, so while waiting for the oil to be drained out, you can start by removing the oil filter, as you can see over here. Okay, now the oil filter is out. Go ahead and remove the old oil filter. It's very hot, so just be careful. Okay, place the old oil filter in a bag and make sure you dispose it carefully. Okay, this is the old oil filter. So the next thing we need to do is to remove it and change it to the new one. Okay, so once we have the oil filter removed, let's go ahead and swap a new one inside. There's quite a lot of old undrained oil over here, so let's go ahead and clean out with some kitchen towels. Make sure the kitchen towel is okay. So once you have cleaned your oil filter housing, go ahead and take out the old oil seals over here and here. Okay, stop. Just gently remove the old oil seal. Okay, the next one here. Okay, so once you have removed the rubber seals, go ahead and take the new filter. And replace with the newer seals right here. Okay, the other one, smaller one. right here inside. Okay, done. And after that, we got to coat it with a layer of engine oil. Stop in. Okay, after that, put your new oil filter. Okay. Hang on. Make sure that you don't over tighten it. Just snug. Just make it snug will do. Okay. Okay, so once you have changed the oil filter, let's put back the drain plug and refill the engine oil. Okay. Okay, don't have to be too tight. Okay, as you can see, there is quite a lot of oil stains over here. So we're gonna clean it up before we put back the flaps for the engine. Put back the flaps. Okay. Okay, let's clean up here. Make sure everything is okay. Okay, nice. Okay, boss. Okay, so everything has been fixed up. So the next thing to do is to, of course, put in some new fresh engine oil. So for this vehicle, you need about 6.5 liters, so there's 7 bottles here. And I also made this homemade funnel, okay, to make pouring the oil easier. Okay, so just go ahead and put the funnel in and pour the fresh engine oil. Make sure it's 6.5 liters. You can really see the difference between the old engine oil and the new engine oil, which is totally black in color. So the last thing to do is to do a reset from your car. Then you just did the oil change. So put the ignition on. Press the button over there. Hold it for a moment. Okay, so we just changed oil, so we just press this BC button. Press and hold. Okay, so it's now resetting. Okay, done. So just complete your oil change, and hope you enjoyed the video. And bye bye. Okay.